Hey guys, today I'll be showing you this skill, unlazy. Now this skill is getting popular, 1.4k stars, and what it does is basically, remember when you give your coding agent like a task, build me an app that has this, this and this, it does, but it skips a few steps. And then when you point them out, it says, oh right, I get back to them. Well, this skill eliminates that. With this skill, the agent actually goes step by step and finish everything without getting lazy and gaslighting you. And when you point it out, he says, oops, yeah, you're right. So the installation is very simple. One command, just copy this, put it in your PowerShell, and it will install. If you go to your open code, and I already have it here, but let's go /skills, you will find unlazy right here. And to demonstrate it, they were kind enough to give us a prompt. So let's go take this prompt, let's clean the folder. So folder clean, we got our prompt. As you can see, it's 3.5 refactor the payment module and verify every migration path. Alright, so this is substantial. We just send it and we'll be back once it's done. So it's using this skill. It's asking a couple of questions. I told it to create from scratch and look at it go. So it created the plan, created the to-dos, and remember it's using the skill unlazy. So it's gonna go through each and every one of them. No shortcuts. And it's done. It did all the to-dos and it gave us a report at the end. Now you might be saying, well, I could have done this. Like, why do I need the skill? Well, you could, but it might not have done them all. That's why this skill exists. So that your model does not become lazy and actually does the work without skipping any step. Well, that has been it. I hope you guys enjoyed and see you next time. Goodbye.